Mike here, the Fresh Rinse. It is Saturday morning, and I've been called to do an emergency cleanup here at this factory in Monroe, Ohio. Now let me tell you, I know you can't see it, but this factory starts way down there, goes all the way around 3 or 4 sides there. I washed this entire factory 2 years ago, and now they want me to come back and wash it again. And today my task is to clean up this courtyard. And this is the employee entrance courtyard, smoke area, break area. And I cleaned this last year. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the schedule to clean this at least twice a year. What's so interesting about this factory is I've worked here maybe 5 times, cleanup jobs, this kind of stuff. I did this one before. Again, I did the entire factory, all the concrete, and I've never met anyone. Like, seriously, I met the maintenance guy. He showed me the facility, and then I scheduled the job, and I show up. I've been in and out of the factory, and I've never, like, no one has ever checked on me to make sure work is getting done or anything. I see employees coming and going, but no supervisors or anything. Well, look at this. This is a mess. And so, like, I literally just go wash this factory and then send them a bill. It's the weirdest thing. And so today I'm just going to clean this up real quick, surface cleaner, and brush it all out or wash it all out. Should be good. By the way, it pays to keep one of these commercial keys on your rig for when you have these situations. Otherwise, I'd have to call the maintenance crew to come turn the water on. And like I said, I've worked here a number of times, so I know where all the outlets are. Let me show you how big this is. This is crazy. Hold on, don't go anywhere. So, like, it stretches all the way down there. Can you see that? Back and through there, this is all like office area. They make vinyl extrusion here, so vinyl windows, composite decking, spindles and rails for decks and whatnot. That's what they do here. So, all right, let's do this. That's some nasty stuff. Now, I just washed this less than a year ago, and it's a mess. So the reason they have me out here is because it's a slip hazard, trip hazard, I guess a slip hazard with all this debris. So I'm here to clean. So essentially, I'm cleaning up this entire courtyard area. Again, it's employee entrance. But you can see all this stuff here. They're calling that a slip hazard when it gets wet. I just washed this less than a year ago, and I'll take care of all of the entranceway and then that concrete path that goes down to the parking area. Yeah, it's a mess. All right, let's do a little quick walkthrough now that the project is complete. All of this courtyard area has been washed, and I'm a little bit out of breath. Saturday work makes me tired. And I've been at 5 and 6 opportunities a day now, all through May, really April and May, and booked. Well, hello, Mr. Bird. Look at it. It's a cardinal singing to me. How nice. It's like, is that good luck or something? I think that's good luck. So this is the like faculty or office workers entrance. And I went ahead and, they didn't ask me to clean this, went ahead and cleaned all of this and kind of did that thing. Let's take a little tour of the factory real quick. Okay, so all that you see here is the front side of the factory. The back side of the factory, excuse me, there's all the way around near that blue building over there. And like just, you know, you can imagine. So real quick story, when I watched this, excuse me, 2 years ago, pardon, you can see these blotchy areas. They thought that I had done that. I assured them that I had not. Hold on, I gotta take a drink. I was able to go on Google Images and show them that that was there before I got here. Saved my butt. So right up there is where we were, and it goes all the way around here. Loading dock is over there, and then goes all the way around, way on around. So I'll be scheduling this soon. I'm gonna dump some trash over here in this dumpster. Surely they won't care. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.